Hello you guys and happy new year. It's the first time I've been back since last year, I think. So I'm at my brother's farmhouse. It's a few kilos out of 35 kilos out of Rundu on your way to Divundu. So I did laundry earlier this morning. It's been raining like every day since we got here, and I swear to God, like Kavango region and Zambezi, they kept all the rain for themselves, like the entire country's rain for themselves, because it rains every day here and it's so like over green and everything. So as you can see, I'm taking off the laundry. That's my mother. Mãe, estás a fazer quê? A Penny. So my mom them are sitting inside. That is gonna be an entertainment place. There's a big hole there because they are building a swimming pool. Penny! Hello!
Hello!
Everyone!
Everyone!
So this is us, my mom, Penny. The dog giving my daughter a tough time. Hey look, it's a banana tree! Orange tree. Uke kikayu Penny? Yo guys, my child is going through tough time. Another orange tree. Okay, so these are the workers. My mom knows how to speak Kwangari. Okay. This is a pear tree. Can you guys see? Little pears on here. This is an apple tree. I'm sure it's an apple tree. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is an apple tree. This is a mango tree with so many mangoes on the floor. Penny! 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 Vem apanhar essa manga. Apanha essa manga.
Manga.
Yeah, apanha. Que está no chão. This is literally just like oranges, mangoes, pears. Ducat. Somos a família.
Eu pensei que saíram do Gatima.
Nada.
Ok.
Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Manga. Manga.
Tudo bem.
Yeah.
Não tira essa manga, Penny.
Isso não está. Você é a manga que eu te dei e deixaste lá.
Lemon tree, orange tree, lemon tree, mangoes, more mangoes, orange. Like I said, it's been raining every day. I need to run to go get off some of my laundry, the remaining, because it's starting to rain again. Oh, hello there. It's you again. Guys, my brother's flex is on another level. Let me show you guys. I hope you can see. His flex is on another level. Who keeps a car like that at the farm? Like to use it way. Now I'm showing off because There's so much to eat, like so many mangoes, oranges and stuff. Like I'm not even eating. Wait till I go back to Windhoek and I'll be regretting thinking about all these mangoes that I was leaving laying on the floor and stuff. Just wait, let's see. Let's wait and see.
Amangga akan kunyap.
Your girl bath, she's clean. Can you tell? Can you tell? Don't mind my eyebrows, guys. I'm growing them out so I can reshape them. Guys, like farm life, you bath and you still don't feel clean. Like honestly. But yeah. So I'm gonna make oshikundu for Petty now. And then we're gonna have lunch. Yo guys, never get your child used to drinking oshikundu because now you are constantly making oshikundu even when you don't feel like it. You all throw away this in the city, right? Here it's very useful, guys. Literally, like you keep them all. So yeah. Hello you guys, I'm back. It's 4 p.m. Just had lunch. So just chilling outside. Still not raining. I'm just taking a little stroll, like outside, because I'm too bored inside. There's not much to do. No cars moving even. Yo guys, we are literally in the middle of nowhere. Basically. Look at how overgrown this place is, guys. Like if you're thinking of farming, like consider coming up north this side of Zambezi and Kavango. Guys, look. Look at how overgrown it is. Beautiful.
Mama.
Yes, princess. So it's 6 p.m. I'm just checking in with you guys. So I've got my bucket. Going to collect a few things from the garden. Going to get some green pepper, eggplants, and then a few fruits. Oranges, mangoes and stuff. For the house. First mission, eggplant. Penny, põe aqui a berinjela. Põe a berinjela na bacia. Põe a berinjela na bacia, mamã. Põe toda a berinjela na bacia, filha. Põe mais. Põe na bacia, mamã. Põe.
Take a video.
I am. Put it in there. Oh my gosh, how are you guys so excited? Manu, o Chico não trouxe a minha pasta. Rosalie is there finishing your things, my dear. All your eggplants are off. You don't eat eggplant? Now why did you plant them? Oh wow. Okay. Okay, so Penny?
Pimenta.
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 Green pepper. I'm getting oranges. And Penny literally only has like 2 mangoes in her basin and she keeps calling me, Mama, let's go. What is that, Penny?
Mango.
So hello you guys, it's 9 p.m. Sorry, it's a bit dark here. It's 9 p.m. It's raining cats and dogs. It's been raining since like 7 p.m. We just finished having dinner. I finished doing the dishes. I was supposed to pack this, what we collected today, but I am very tired. I think I'm gonna wash and pack those up tomorrow. So I will have to end the vlog here because I feel like that was enough content for today, honestly, and I'm tired. I'm obviously not going to sleep now. I'll probably watch a movie or 2, but I just want to laze around and edit this video. So this video was a lot of effort, guys, because Like I said, my phone is, the back camera is completely broken. It's completely out. My phone is, I don't know if you have to see it, but there's no money or budget or whatever to buy a new phone, so this is what I'll have to deal with. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.